Hi, everybody. I'm going to take a little time to go over this shapes toolkit. It helps us understand the different shapes we're going to be working with. A couple things to think about as we get going is these are two-dimensional shapes. So that means they have a length and a width. They do not have a depth. So two-dimensional means they are flat. We will get to three-dimensional later on in the year, but for now we're doing flat two-dimensional shapes. That means we talk about perimeter and area only on these shapes, and we will get to that later. Also, we're going to be talking about some different kinds of shapes. We're going to be dealing with triangles. That means three sides. We're going to be dealing with quadrilaterals. That means four sides. And we're going to be dealing with polygons, which means three or more sides. So a little confusing. Oh, and then the last one we talk about on here is a circle, and the circle has no sides, just a center, and all the points equidistant from the center. We'll get to that in a minute. But those are some words that I want you to start thinking about, and we'll get a little more specific as we go here. What I'm probably going to do is fill out this table in chunks, so you'll get part of it. If I do the whole table, I think my video will get too long. So we'll just do one set at a time. So let's zoom in here a little bit and start with this top part. So right off the bat, the triangle has three sides. Equilateral means just like what it sounds like. It's going to be three equal sides. And we sometimes mark the shapes, and we're going to use the same mark. So if I have the same dash on each side, all of the sides that have one dash means they're going to be considered the same size, because sometimes our drawings aren't exactly right, so the dashes are what we go by. Isosceles triangle, again, three-sided. This means, the word isosceles means two sides are equal. So these two sides would be considered equal. They have the same number of marks, and then we put a different marking on the third side, the biggest side in this case. Sometimes the third side is smaller. Our next shape is a scalene triangle. Scalene means all three sides are different. So I usually do one dash on the short, two dashes on the medium, and three dashes on the big side. Every side has a different mark because every side is a different size. Now, notice this last one in the row has the word scalene in it. So that means it's going to have all three sides are different again. But it has one other thing. It talks about it being a right triangle. That means it has one right angle. So we're going to mark the sides again because all three are different, but then we also want to mark the right angle, and the right angle means it's a 90-degree angle. So a right angle means it's 90 degrees, and we always put a little square in the corner that's a right triangle. All right, so that gave us some of the definitions. We have triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, circles, and then we have the first four filled in on the shape kit. If I were you, I would pause the video and be sure I have that written down. or understand what those different words mean. Thanks for watching.